What's up guys, Insta360 ONE X2 here. I bought this about 6 months ago, but I want to unbox it with you.
But wait, before we unbox it, let me tell you, I paid about $400 for this on Amazon.com. Right now, it's about $365. I'll put a link to it in the description below.
My goal was to use this when I wasn't using my 360 Max by GoPro, but I've been having a good time with the 360 Max, so I just haven't had a need to open this yet. Let me just go over the box here, looking at a couple things. All right, so it says it has 5.7K 360-degree capture, steady cam mode, flow state stabilization, invisible selfie stick, really cool feature if you don't know about that. Waterproof up to 10 meters, which is 32 feet. AI editing, 4-mic 360 audio. We'll check that out once we open the box here. Ultra bright touchscreen, hyperlapse, voice control, nothing new there. GoPro's been having that for quite a while. Looking at the back, it says in the box is going to be a Insta360 ONE X2, the camera itself, a protective pouch, a battery, a charging cable, warranty card, and a quick start guide. All right, let's not waste any time. Let's get this thing open. All right, we get this camera box open. And look at that, nice and neat little Insta360 camera. Very light, very solid feeling though. It's light, but it feels like solid, like a cell phone, like an iPhone, yeah. It's a little heavier than an iPhone, but yeah, I like the initial feel of it. The quality feels good. This is nice and smooth right here. It looks like you got a lens here. Oh, it looks like you got a lens on both sides, and then what you have here is a screen, LED screen for viewing stuff. I'm not sure. We'll get to that in a second. I don't have my 360 Max, but I do have my GoPro 8. So you can take a look here at the size. All right, it's about as wide as the GoPro is tall, and very thin compared to the GoPro. The screen on the back of the GoPro is bigger. Same for the Max, the screens are way bigger. All right, so let's look at this. Let's take a look around this camera here. You got your power button on your left side, so if you're holding with your left hand, your thumb is right on the power button to turn it on. Over here on the right side, I'm assuming this is the front because this is where the writing is. I'm assuming this is the front, so this would be the left, this would be the right side if it's facing you. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, this is a little awkward. There's like a little rubber piece holding on to the cover. This little rubber piece is holding on to the cover, but it's fine. It's a little awkward when you first try to move it out of the way. All right, here's where you plug in and charge it, USB-C. Let that rubber piece, let that cover go, and it just kind of like pops, not back into place, but it kind of like pops around a little bit. All right. Okay, so let me go ahead and pull these next little, oh, there we go. So you pull both of these inwards, and then you can take out the battery. All right, quite a large battery compared to the GoPro and the Max, the GoPro Max and the GoPro 8. Battery seems like it's thinner, but it's bigger. So I wonder if that has a better life. All right, looks like you can put your SD card in here. All right, there's your SD card spot inside next to the battery. That's pretty typical. Same thing with the GoPros. You're putting your SD card near your battery or in the same compartment. So let's just go ahead and see what else is in this box. Let's go ahead and pop open this box. It says accessory bag. Slide this to the side. Let's see what's in this accessory box. Man, if it doesn't have lens covers, I might have to go spend some more money and get little caps to cover my lenses. I'm telling you, because when I dropped my 360 Max, it scratched the lens on the asphalt. All right, comes with a quick start guide. Waterproofing, what you need to know to waterproof. A warranty card. All right, this is like one of those little microfiber wipies. You see here. It's just a special wiper with that super soft material for wiping lenses and stuff like that. All right, get your little Insta360 360 sticker if you want to stick it on your car or something, some weird place. I usually I usually stick stuff like that on my snowboard. All right, and here's the little pouch to cover your camera. Man, it's so important because man, once you scratch the lens on these things, I'm telling you, it is it's heartbreaking because first of all, you can't easily change the lens out. I haven't seen anything or anywhere where you can just pop off a lens and replace it. The old GoPros, you could, just the regular GoPros. All right, there you go. That's what comes in the box. Oh, and a little charging cable. USB-C from USB. I thought they were going everything USB-C nowadays. USB-C to USB-C, but I guess they haven't caught up yet. All right, so that's what's in the box here. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off the lens and let's see if there's any charge on the battery so you can see what it looks like when we light it up. I'm really excited about using this because it's so small. So I need to put a little bit of charge on this. So guys, hang on, I'll be right back. Let me plug it in. And of course, I'm gonna cover up my lens here because I am super paranoid. All right, so here we go, all charged up. Here's how it looks when the charger cord is inside, you know, for charging. All right, oops, I accidentally hit the button just now. Little blue light comes on there. Your little viewfinder here. Screen. Got a blue light back here. All right, blue light here and a blue light here. Let's see. By default, it's in 360 mode. It's 5.7K at 30 frames per second. And at the top there, I can barely see that. Oh, it says I have 2 hours and 39 minutes of record time on my card. And the battery's fully charged. And one more thing, I don't know, at the little, okay, and you hit this little thing to flip the view around, and it's pointing back at the camera, pointing forward. Okay, so your viewfinder can show you if you're looking to the front or the rear. Doesn't really matter if you're in 360 mode, because no matter what direction the camera is facing, it's recording everything all around. I do have the selfie stick, which I can screw directly in here. All right, so here's the Insta360 selfie stick. It just screws on the end like this. And since that's super thin, this is light, the stick is light. This is super thin, the stick is super thin. When you're recording and you're holding this stick, you know, like so, you don't see the stick, you just see your hand. And then when you extend it all the way out, it makes it look like you have a drone flying over top of your head, recording your every move, so. All right, and 1 second. All right, you get a little tone when you cut it on. You just tap it and it comes on. Hold it down for 1 second, it goes off. And here is the other mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I don't know where the mics are. There's little dots all over here. They said there's 4 mics. I'm counting the holes. I see 1 hole here, 1 hole here, 1 hole here, 1, 2. That's 5. All right, I don't know where the 4 mics are. So, well, there you have it, folks. That is a thorough unboxing of the Insta360. Here's everything it comes with. Thank you for coming back, watching the channel, watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I must apologize for being gone so long. I've been really working on my hiking channel. And since my last video with the unboxing of the 360 GoPro, I have really been super indulged in my new job. And yeah, so I'm starting to get some time and a little rhythm to my life back. And I'm gonna try to balance between my hiking videos and my reviews. But yeah, if you haven't been over to my hiking channel, go ahead, just jump over. I'm gonna leave a link at the end of the video. Jump over there and check out some of those hiking videos. They're really interesting, they're really fun. It's all about hiking different mountains here in Japan. I really appreciate you guys coming back. Thank you again. I hope I see you on the next video, and have a good day.